Naghahanda ang Justice Department sa pagbabalik kay dating Congressman Arnie Teves sa Pilipinas matapos katigan ng korte sa Timor-Leste ang extradition request nito. Pero ang giit ng kampo ni Teves, may panahon pa para umapila. Nakatutok si Salima Refran.
Mapapabalik na sa bansa si dating Congressman Arnie Teves mula sa Timor-Leste at mapapaharap sa patong-patong na kasong murder, frustrated murder at attempted murder kaugnay ng pagpatay kay Negros Oriental Governor Roel Degamo at siyam na iba pa. Ayon yan sa Justice Department matapos katigan ng Court of Appeals ng Timor-Leste ang extradition request ng Pilipinas.
The certain issues that they raised were found to be baseless. That the accused is under our Constitution and under our statutes that we have a fair and impartial trial and that would be heard by a fair and impartial judge.
Pero git ng kampo ni Teves, may 30 araw umano ang kanilang kampo para iapela pa ang desisyon.
Ito pong appeal will act as a supersedious, meaning there is a stay of the execution of the extradition request while the appeal is still pending before the court. Hindi po ipapatupad pa yung extradition request habang hindi pa po tapos yung appellate process.
Dagdag pa ng abogado ni Teves, may nakasalang pang political asylum request si Teves, bagay na kinontra ng Justice Department.
If there is a political asylum application, notwithstanding any extradition request, a person cannot be extradited because it would render the application for political asylum moot and academic.
This was denied. They filed a motion for reconsideration. This was denied as well. So to our minds as lawyers, that is the end of the rope on that particular aspect.
Kaya sabi ng Justice Department, kahit nag-aapela ay maaari nang arestuhin anumang oras si Teves. Pinaghahandaan na nito ang pagbabalik bansa kay Teves.
Because that person, subject of the extradition, is already an undocumented alien from the point of view of Timor-Leste officials. Why? Because the Philippines had already canceled his passport.
Ang biyuda ni Degamo na si Pamplona Mayor Janice Degamo naiyak sa development na ito.
It's an answered prayer po, ma'am. Talagang naiiyak ako, pero talagang yan yung prayer namin. Na managot talaga yung may sala. And one step to make that happen is to have him come home and face us, face the court.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Salima Refran, nakatutok 24 oras.